I'm from Aobidao.
Aobidao. What is that? I never hear about that.
Why are you laughing?
I don't know.
That's how you say that in Chinese. Aobidao.
You know how to speak Chinese?
I learned it from my friend.
Aobidao.
Yeah.
You sure? Is that your country?
Yeah.
It's kind of like cartoon, you know?
It's what? Nah. What it says though.
Is that game or something? I don't really know. You sure you're from there?
Yeah, I'm sure. Pretty sure.
Is that in Europe?
No, it's not in Europe. It's Asian.
What are you eating? Mooncake?
It looks like a mooncake, but it's called nai pizi soup. And I have this one. Cheese bread. My friend gave it to me. He said this was some traditional food from northwest part of China. Maybe Xinjiang.
Oh, it's called Xinjiang.
Xinjiang?
Yeah. Haven't you been to Xinjiang?
Yeah. The locals thought I was one of them. They came out of nowhere and start speaking their language. So actually I'm trolling with you.
What do you mean?
Actually, 我四川的。
你不能是四川的。
我怎么不能是四川的呢？
你长得就不可能是四川的。
我四川的，成都的。
你是 gay 吗？
不是。
你绝对不可能是四川的，因为你长得真的太不像四川的了。
那我像哪里的？
哇，你中文真的好好，你好像没有点外国人的口音。但如果你要是的话，那你可能就是新疆那边。
为什么呢？
因为新疆人普遍就是会有些人长得很像外国人。
其实我是巴基斯坦的。只不过我中文很好罢了。
No way. Have any accent?
我从小就在这生活了，大概7、8岁就来了，所以说我的汉语可能没有什么口音吧。
So 你真的是巴基斯坦人？
不是，我骗你的，我就是新疆的。